it's Danica and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be eating like my zodiac sign for a day. I'm an Aquarius. I was born on January 29, which means that my sun sign is Aquarius. I'm also a rising Aquarius and my moon sign is Aries. I'll leave my birth chart right here. As you can see, I'm really into astrology and I was trying to find a video idea that would combine my love for astrology but also my passion for food, and I put the two together and I thought of this idea. I actually saw a couple videos on this and I thought it would be so original to make, so I hopped on the trend and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more then just keep on watching. So Aquarians tend to be really unique and weird people, but we're always trying to help others and we're always fighting for the next cause, which makes us really likely to be either vegan or vegetarian. And in true Aquarius fashion, I am a vegan. So for breakfast, I found some article online that were telling me to eat a lot of whole grains and also a lot of fruits and veggies, nuts and seeds, and that's how I'm gonna base how I'm gonna make my breakfast this morning. So I thought of making a really good oatmeal with a lot of fruits and also a lot of nut butters and maybe sprinkle a little pumpkin seeds in there. So I'll go ahead and make that and I'll show you when it's ready. Alright, so for breakfast I made this big bowl of oats. It has a lot of fruits and I also put some dates in there and a little bit of nut butter. I read somewhere that dates are really good for Aquarius, and like I said, fruits and whole grains are also really good. I added pumpkin seeds for added protein. Also, I read in my research that pumpkin seeds are really good for us Aquarius, so this is a really good breakfast for me. I'm also switching my beloved cup of coffee for some herbal tea this morning because Aquarius should avoid caffeine because it makes us really anxious. Yeah, I can relate to that, but I do like my coffee like all the time. But for today's video, I'm gonna drink some herbal tea, which is also really good, but I mean, nothing beats coffee for me. So I'll go ahead and eat this and I'll see you the next time that I eat at lunchtime. It's almost lunchtime and I thought I would make a Buddha bowl. It's a great way to get in a lot of protein and a lot of veggies. In my research, I found that it's really good for Aquarius to eat lots of proteins, but a diet that's low in fat, in saturated fat, and cholesterol, because we tend to get circulatory problems like blocked arteries, so it's really good to avoid cholesterol, and on a vegan diet that's really good because you don't eat any dietary cholesterol. I'm gonna go make a Buddha bowl and I'll check in with you when it's done.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you, and waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days, I don't really care 'cause on my days.
This is the Buddha bowl that I made. I used some quinoa as the base, and then I put a lot of good veggies on top, which were recommended for Aquarius. Butternut squash, spinach, shredded carrots, chickpeas for protein, and also I drizzled some tahini on top, which is a good source of healthy fats. And I also put some garlic in the tahini, which was also recommended for Aquarius. And that's my Buddha bowl. I sprinkled some salt and pepper on top, and I'm really excited to eat it. So this is my lunch. I'm so excited to eat it. It looks so friggin' delicious. It has a lot of good things in there. It has a lot of protein, vitamins, and nutrients. I'm just really excited to dig in. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you at dinner. So if you guys are watching this video, I'm sure you're interested in astrology like me, and I'm gonna show you my favorite book for astrology. It is this one. It's called The Only Astrology Book You'll Ever Need, and it's really true to its name. It literally has everything that you need to know. It was recommended by Kathleen Lights on her YouTube channel, and she is also really into astrology. She's an Aquarius like me, and I relate a lot to her. So if you guys don't really relate to your zodiac sign, that's because it's only your sun sign, so you really need to find your birth chart. I showed you my birth chart in the beginning, and like I said, it's not only your sun sign, it's also your moon sign that's affecting your personality. My moon sign is Aries, and I see it a bit in my personality, even though I'm Aquarius rising and also an Aquarius sun. So that is taking a lot of my personality. So yeah, I really relate to Aquarius the most. I just really quickly wanted to share this book with you because I thought it was such a gem, and I thought that if you guys are watching this video, I just thought that maybe if you're watching this video, you'll like to learn more about astrology, and I just wanted to show that to you guys.
I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling. About that feeling, there's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling.
For dinner, I made a tofu scramble on some whole wheat toast. I also added some spinach, and I put the crumbled tofu on top, and there's nutritional yeast in there, garlic, and also onions. On top, I sprinkled some sesame seeds. In my research, I found that whole wheat is really good for Aquarius, so I used some whole wheat bread. And also, tofu has a lot of protein, which is also really good, and it's also low in fat and has no cholesterol. For veggies, I used spinach. I could have used a bit more veggies than that, but there's also garlic and onions in the tofu scramble, like I said. And for some added protein, I sprinkled the sesame seeds on top, which is a nice touch and also adds great flavor. I also sprinkled some salt and pepper, and it makes for a really good dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love doing these kind of videos, and I really want to make more in the future. So you can leave me some ideas down below of what I can eat for 24 hours, or what you want me to eat for an entire week, or any type of challenge that I can do. Also tell me in the comments down below, what is your zodiac sign? I would like to know. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every single Monday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Sugar be sweet, the world doesn't sleep.